This is the DJI Mini 2, and this video presents 6 good reasons why I think the Mini 2 is still a great option in 2022. Reason number 1, size and portability. The Mini 2 is a lightweight and portable drone. It weighs less than 250 grams and easily fits into a camera bag. It's great for travel. Its size means it's also less conspicuous and relatively quiet once it's in the air. It can be hard to see and hear even if you do know it's there. Reason number 2, price. By comparison with other drones and packages, the Mini 2 Fly More combo presents good value for money. At the time this video was made, it sells for around $600 US and often for a lot less on special. The Fly More kit includes all you need to charge the batteries and get flying. No need to buy extras like USB chargers or cables. Reason number 3, camera features. The Mini 2 has a great little camera. It shoots 4K video up to 30 frames a second, 2.7K and Full HD up to 60 frames a second. For photographs, it shoots JPEG and RAW and has some really cool panorama features. Reason 4, reliability and stability. The Mini 2 has been around since 2020 and has proven itself reliable and stable. I've used this drone for scenic video, for family events, surveying storm damage, and even commercial roof inspections. It's easy to fly and it's always performed flawlessly. Reason number 5, third-party apps. Along with the stock DJI Fly app, the Mini 2 can also be controlled with third-party apps such as Maven and Litchi. Third-party apps can provide increased functionality such as waypoint missions and active tracking. Reason number 6, no obstacle avoidance.
Huh?
Wait, hear me out. Not having any of the automated flight features of some of the other drones has actually been beneficial to me while I learned to fly. Flying a drone with no sensors means I have to fly with very good situational awareness and a focus on hazards. I think that's made me a better pilot. Give it some thought. Hey, I've got one more bonus reason for you. Mini 2's a nice looking little drone. Handsome wee fella. Not like this new Rango looking thing. Hey, I'm kidding. The Mini 3 is a really great drone, but so's the Mini 2, and if you're looking at getting into the hobby, it's a really good place to start. Thanks for watching everyone. We'll catch you again soon.